Let's jump in together. Looks so yummy, yummy. With the sauce. Oh, the crispy grilled bread. Oh, make you hungry. Yummy, yummy. Let's jump in together, everyone. Make you hungry. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like it. Welcome back to the YouTube channel that we clear the meat. Looks so yummy. So yummy. Grilled meat, sausage, chicken wing, and the bread. And the fish. And now we see this one. Wow, the grilled fish, sausage, and chili sauce. Now you see, this one. Hot dog, bread, and one chicken ball. Wow, so yummy. Oh my god. Here the bread. So the man selling every night. Right. It's every night from 7 o'clock to 11 at night at the New Dermix market, Phnom Penh City. There's a lot of people come to buy it. And the street road is far from here to there. There's so many people, they are walking from here and here. See? There. I'm going to walk here, a lot of people there from there. Now it looks so yummy. Smoke a lot, but make you hungry. One bread, one grilled bread, only $0.25. And one piece of hot dog or sausage or chicken wing, only $0.25. So yummy, the crispy garlic bread. And so many people come to buy it on this. Yummy. Wow. Now it's done already. It's in the box. Amazing man that he said every night. Make it yummy. Make you hungry, everyone. So yummy. Wow. Let's jump in together. Looks so yummy. With the sauce. Oh, the crispy grilled bread. Oh, make you hungry. Yummy, yummy. Let's join dinner together, everyone. Make you hungry. Hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like, comment, share to get more videos. Thank you. Goodbye. Good luck.